So the next step after the primer's set up a little, we got to tape our edges. That's kind of the process with our Leggari Stone Kit. So cool thing about our primers, it's fast cure and it's still going to cure underneath the tape. So we can tape onto a sticky where you can't do that with a lot of other primers. So this doesn't have to be completely dry. So it's still really, really sticky, but it's not pulling anything off. And that's how simple it is, guys. So now we're ready to do our Leggari Stone Kit. Tim's gonna show you how to mix it, and then I'm gonna get right to applying it. Okay, so I got my beads poured out. Now, if you guys are rolling this out and you get done and you say you have way too much resin in one area, just scoop some of that back in the bucket and pour it out anywhere else where it may be thin. All right, so I got about a quarter bucket left. So I wanna make sure I'm pouring the biggest areas out. Again, guys, this is gonna level out a lot, and we are in a cold warehouse. Our resin is pretty cold, so you definitely wanna acclimate your products to room temperature. It's gonna level out, it's gonna flow better, but I'm not even worried about it. There's still a lot of these beads that are gonna wind up touching. So again, though, we don't wanna wind up pouring too much out in one area and then it's really thick there and it's thinner somewhere else. So that's kind of why I keep jumping around to different spots. All you coating contractors, if you want to set your business apart or add a revenue generating machine to your current business, go to leggariacademy.com. You're going to learn over 10 coating systems and you're going to be doing projects just like this. All right guys, so before I spray the isopropyl, you can see a lot of the Leggari effects creating some cells. A lot of these are from adding the Leggari effects into our resin. Just dumping that in there, pouring it into the dirty pour cups, and we get a lot of these cool craters and effects just from that.